Summertime, and the living is easy. Fish are jumping, and the cotton is high. Oh, your daddy's rich, and your ma is good looking. Oh, hush, little baby, don't again right there. Summertime. There it is. You would start, okay? You simply blow it, maybe hum it to yourself, and then you'd start singing on that starting note. Summertime, and the living is easy. Once the great thing about this is, once we get that first note, once we get that starting note, that is just key to having us be able to sing through that song. All we really need, guys, is that starting note, especially if you know the song, okay? So there's our starting note again. Okay, now ladies, you'd be an octave higher than that. So, okay, it's too high for me, but then you'd be right there. Okay, so basically this is what you want to do. You would blow, for all ladies who are going for this song or trying to sing this song, and you have to sing it an octave higher, you blow on it, that pitch pipe. It's definitely not going to give you that starting note there, but an octave higher is just basically the same. It's the same note, but just the high version of it. Okay, so you would go, you'd hear this, then you sing right there. Okay, so now notice I'm gonna write some of the lyrics on that board. Okay, summertime. Okay, take a good look. So okay, so just to start us off with, okay, so we know kind of directionally where we're going with this. When we sing summertime, okay, there's also, notice these underlining, these underlined dashes here, okay? I put those there because once we finish singing this particular word, summertime, 2, 3, 4, take a look. So summertime would be one time on the of the word time. In summertime would be the first beat. Second the next dash would be the second beat. The other dash after that would be the third, and then the following dash, or the last dash, would be the fourth beat. What am I saying when in terms of beats? What we're talking about is how long you're holding the word time as part of the word summertime, how long you're holding it out before you finish, before you stop, and then continue to the next phrase or next musical phrase or word